Thai salads help me focus on the meaning of life. The salad has stood the test of time. It's one of the salads that when you're at a Khao Tom style restaurant late at night, you order it. It's an exercise in simplicity. Slice the Chinese sausage on a sharp bias or a diagonal, which is going to give you large pieces. And then perhaps clean your cutting board before moving on to the raw ingredients. Slice some Chinese celery into pieces. Make sure you keep the stem. The stem is probably the best part about Chinese celery. And you can, of course, use normal celery, but it just won't be as good. Slice the shallot. Make sure you slice with the grain. The details matter. We're going to make a beautiful dressing next. Some people call this a vinaigrette. I don't know why. This is Thai food. We're not talking about French food. Why does everything need to be put in French terms? Pound some garlic and cilantro roots, and then we're going to add in some green chilies. Add as much as you want. It's going to give us beautiful color. Followed by a 3-to-1 ratio of lime juice, fish sauce, and white sugar. Yes, that's right. White sugar. I know some of you guys are going to say, oh my God, Thai food, it's palm sugar only. That's just simply not true. So many places are using white sugar. In fact, so much of the country is not even using high quality palm sugar. It's really a lost art. It's quite sad, but a characteristic of this salad is using white sugar. We're gonna add a little bit of water to the pan. It's gonna help start to render out the fat. There's so much fat in Chinese sausage that it's gonna be able to cook in its own fat, kind of like bacon does. Cook until the sausage is beautifully glossy and crispy, and then dump out all the excess fat. Mix the Chinese sausage with the dressing, coating thoroughly, very nicely. Add in the shallots and the Chinese celery, mixing gently, admiring the colors before adding it to a pastel style plate. And I think for this type of salad, it needs to be on a pastel style plate. Feel free to innovate. You can add cucumber, that's very common to this. You can start adding other herbs. You can do whatever you want. It's a salad. Now, we must enjoy this luxury. Dear Lord, that's pretty good. It's pretty good.